Hey everyone! In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to place a realistic road lane sign with perfect perspective and texture. Let's dive right in. Choose Type tool and write your text. Press Ctrl-T to transform and scale it down proportionally. Right-click and select pixels. Press Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-D to deselect. Then disable the text layer. Create new layer. Then go to Filter Vanishing Point. Draw your perspective. Click 4 corner points along your road. Keep adjusting until the grid turns blue. Press Ctrl-V to paste the text we've copied, and Ctrl-T to resize the text. Then drag into place. Then click OK. Then open blending options. Hold Alt, then click and drag to split it into 2. Adjust the sliders until the text blends naturally with the road texture. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching.